Hi everybody, welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. The library will be closed Sunday, May 26th and Monday, May 27th for Memorial Day. So be sure and check out our online resources. The summer reading program is getting closer and closer. Bookmark our website for fast access to our event calendar. There are some changes that you need to make note of, like the Stitch Together. It's moving from Tuesday at 1 p.m. to Tuesday at 10 a.m. and that's starting June 4th through August. Now, the May 21st and the 28th meetings are still at 1 p.m. on Tuesdays. Saturday, May 25th, we're having Paint, Pass, and Sip from 2 to 4. Come and unleash your creativity and enjoy some delicious mocktails and socializing with friends. Please bring a dessert to share with everybody. Now, registration is required for this event. On Saturday, June 1st, from 9:30 to noon, the Garden Club of Rogers will be here to guide us through summer planting of our garden. They also are going to be talking about planting seedlings outdoors, starting new indoor seedlings, and planting herbs. Registration is required for this one also. Now, the teens will be making macaroons for their teen DIY on Monday, May 20th. And since we're closed for Memorial Day on the 27th, there won't be a teen DIY that week. But if you come on Thursday, May 23rd, you will be making unique art by popping balloons. You may want to wear clothes that you don't mind getting paint on. Teens is having a teen summer reading preview on Thursday, May 30th from 6 to 8. While you play games and have some snacks, they'll fill you in on all of the fun things that are going to be happening this summer in the teen department. Children's is gearing up for a fun-filled summer, and summer reading kickoff is Saturday, June 1st from 2 to 4. There will be games, crafts, and you get to pick your reading log. You can now begin to register for summer reading programs in children's, teens, and the adult department. So that's it for now. Have a safe and wonderful Memorial weekend, and I'll see you in a couple of weeks.